Motility testing, hanging drop method. The mobility in bacteria is largely credited to presence of large hair-like appendages over the body called as flagella. These are the locomotor organ of bacteria. The process of staining the flagella is very tedious. Also, it is very difficult to observe in the normal compound microscope. Bacterial movement must be distinguishable from the Brownian movement. However, the presences of bacteria, activity of flagella can be visualized by the ability of microbe to move in growth medium or by hanging drop technique. Requirements: bacterial culture, sterile nutrient broth, cavity slides, wire loop, cover slips, petroleum gel, toothpicks, hanging drop method. With the toothpick, put a small amount of wax or soft paraffin on each corner of the cover slip. Place a drop of the culture broth in the center of the cover slip using a sterile wire loop. The cavity slide is placed on the cover slip and the slide cover slip is quickly inverted. Examine with low power. Focus on the edge of the drop. Switch to high power. Look for motility and be sure to distinguish it from Brownian motion. Some important motile and non-motile bacteria. All Enterobacteriaceae are motile, except Shigella species. Klebsiella species are non-motile. Pseudomonas species are motile with the help of a unipolar flagellum. Vibrio colony has a shooting star motility. Campylobacter has a darting motility. Giardia lamblia has a falling leaf motility.